What if your next ride had 3 wheels, massive cargo space, and enough battery range to travel over 100 miles? From folding commuters to heavy-duty hauling machines, these were the 12 must-have electric trikes of 2026 that are changing everything. 12. KAKIGO Electric Tricycle. The unique 2-passenger convenience, KAKIGO Electric Tricycle starts our list. The 750-watt motor that it has allows for a peak output of 1,350 watts. Great for commuting, running errands around town or city, or regular rides around the neighborhood. A 48-volt 15.6 ampere-hour battery supplies, good range, and the rear differential adds stability and easy handling during turns. Dual baskets provide storage spaces, and front suspension helps to level off rough pavement. The folding frame enables for easier storage than many larger-sized trikes. The KAKIGO is an affordable electric trike that is comfortable, versatile, and family-friendly. 11. Narrak N3. The Narrak N3 is a lightweight folding electric trike designed for riders who, and a simple, practical, and easy-to-use ride. At just 74 pounds, it's easier to move, transport, and store than many competing trikes. Its 350-watt motor, with up to 700 watts of peak power, provides enough boost to handle hills and tougher terrain. The removable 36-volt battery offers up to 40 miles of pedal assist range, making it well-suited for daily rides and errands. 10. Jorvik JET-E16. The Jorvik JET-E16 is designed with ease of use, comfort, and accessibility in mind. Low step-through for easy access and off, especially for elderly, less mobile, and physically challenged people. Handlebars for folding for easy parking. It has a 250-watt motor that delivers quiet power for seamless assistance during daily riding, and 5 pedal assist levels that give riders the control they desire. A 7-speed internal gear hub is found to be lighter to maintain than conventional hubs and shifts in a full natural way. Their stable handling and relaxed riding position instills confidence every ride. The JET-E16 is a practical and reliable beginner-friendly electric tricycle that is super comfortable to use as a daily rider. 9. Retrospec Boca Rev 2. The Retrospec Boca Rev 2 offers a comfortable performance at an affordable price point. It is equipped with a 480 watt-hour battery that provides up to 49 miles of range and max speed of 14 miles per hour. This folding frame is a big plus for those who don't have a lot of space for a bike. The thick padded saddle, backrest, and upright riding position offer a comfortable experience for extended trips. At about 85 pounds, it is easy to carry, yet provides solid stability. Designed primarily for leisurely cruising and daily errands, the Boca Rev 2 prioritizes practicality over speed, making it a smart choice for casual riders. 8. Qlife Triker. The Qlife Triker is both powerful and user-friendly. Featuring a 1,200-watt peak brushless motor, it offers surprisingly fast acceleration for a cruiser and climb support to enjoy hills. A removable 48-volt battery provides up to 50 miles of range, ideal for commuting and errands. Rear differential helps with stability during turns, and disc brakes help stop when necessary. The rider may operate the machine in manual, pedal assist, and fully electric riding modes to suit the various riding situations encountered. The step-through frame facilitates mounting. The foldable frame allows the trike to be stored and transported with ease. 7. Eskute E-Trike. The Eskute E-Trike is built to make riding feel easy from the very first trip. Its low step-through frame makes getting on and off simple, while the wide tires add confidence and stability on different surfaces. A rear differential helps the trike corner more smoothly than many traditional three-wheelers. The soft seat and back support make travel pleasant even over extended distances. It has an electric motor that delivers smooth assist, and different levels of pedal assist are available for additional control. A removable battery for easy recharging, and you have a comfortable, stable, and very beginner-friendly trike. 6. Qronge Lava. The Qronge Lava is built for riders who value comfort, utility, and versatility. With a peak motor of 960 watts, it provides crisp acceleration and sufficient power to tackle hills with ease. The removable 36-volt 15-ampere-hour battery offers up to 50 miles of range depending on riding conditions. Confidence is boosted with adjusted seat position and a stable 3-wheel design, and fat 20-inch tires ride well over bumps. The large front and back basket offer excellent cargo capacity for groceries, camping supplies, or just everyday use. Convenience features include foldable frame, integrated lights, LCD display, and mirrors. This is a practical trike for real-world use. 5. Addmotor Citytri E-310. The Addmotor Citytri E-310 blends comfort, power, and thoughtful design into one highly capable package. 750-watt motor produces a huge 90 Newton-meters of torque, making it surprisingly easy to tackle hills. A big 20-ampere-hour battery, plus the short stover height, made mounting easy. There is a cushioned backrest seat, adjustable handlebars, built-in lighting features, turn signals, fenders, and a riding platform basket. The trike can easily carry up to 280 pounds and extra loads. Comfortable over rough pavement and packed with premium features, the Citytri feels refined and practical. 4. Addmotor SPYTAN X. The Addmotor SPYTAN X introduces a unique riding experience with its dual front-wheel design and tilting steering system. Unlike traditional trikes, it leans naturally through turns for improved balance and control. Both front wheels are equipped with rear-mounted suspension for better comfort and confidence on rugged surfaces. For those looking for longer adventures, there's also a 48-volt 20-ampere-hour Samsung battery, capable of delivering up to 145 kilometers of range. Triple hydraulic disc brakes offer great stopping force. It is created special for golfers, consisting of a golf bag carrier and sand bottle holder. Folding capability adds convenience, making the SPYTAN X one of the most specialized trikes available. 3. Meetone Breeze Pro. Here's one of the most well-rounded electric tricycles on the market today, the Meetone Breeze Pro. It goes up to 22 miles per hour by means of its strong 750-watt motor on the rear hub. It's powered by dual batteries with a capability of up to 100 miles range. The torque sensor balances the pedals for smooth and natural pedal assistance, while hydraulic disc brakes deliver reliable stopping power. The presence of reverse mode, anti-tip wheels, suspension, and fat tires significantly enhance usability and safety. The semi-recumbent position relieves strain on long rides. The Breeze Pro is comfortable, stable, and extremely well functional. 2. PUCKIPUPPY Husky Plus. The PUCKIPUPPY Husky Plus delivers long-range functionality with cargo hauling power and all-terrain comfort. A 960-watt motor provides excellent stability and a max speed of 20 miles per hour. One of its distinguishing features is its dual battery setup, which allows for up to 110 miles of range. The 4-inch fat tires with full suspension provide an exceptionally smooth ride on pavement and light trails. A large rear cargo basket provides room for groceries, camping gear, or large equipment, and hydraulic disc brakes deliver strong stopping power. The capacity of up to 500 pounds makes the Husky Plus amazingly versatile and powerful. 1. Ashomeli Tricycle Truck. The Ashomeli Electric Cargo Tricycle Truck is not just for entertainment, but also for work activity. It has a 1,000-watt power output and is able to lift loads as heavy as 1,100 pounds, making it one of the strongest in its class. A massive 60-volt 45-ampere-hour battery delivers about 60 to 70 kilometers range per charge. The 3-wheel sturdy base is ideal for warehouses, heavy loads, deliveries, agriculture and commercial vehicles. It's made of a solid frame with a durable cargo compartment that can handle heavy usage. As far as carrying weight and power, few electric trikes can match it.